Another area on the petition that upsets a lot of people is attorney's fees. Attorney's fees. This is probably the number one reason that people call me upset about the petition. All right. They call and they say, my wife checked the box that she wants me to pay the attorney's fees, and I don't want to pay them. And what's going to happen? Well, just as a little bit of a review, checking the box on the petition does not cause something to automatically happen. It is just opening up the court's jurisdiction to make decisions. For the court to make a decision, you have to file other papers. There's different types of papers get filed at different points in the divorce process. There are temporary orders, which are called RFOs, requests for order hearings, and there are permanent orders, which is what happens at a trial and a judgment. So, by checking the box for attorney's fees, that has opened up jurisdiction. That means that when the case starts, the person that wants attorney's fees can file an RFO, request for order, saying, I would like a contribution to my attorney's fees, Your Honor. I am a housewife. I stayed home raising the children, and my husband is a tech executive, and he makes all types of money, and I need him to help pay my attorney's fees. Well, you're in luck, because in a situation like that, there is a statute, Family Code 2030, and that statute requires the court to give a contribution of attorney's fees to a spouse, like a housewife that does not have access to money, or doesn't have anything but community funds available, and you're out there earning, 10, 20,000 a month, okay, or even 5,000 a month. The court will order you to contribute to your spouse's attorney's fees if you are the spouse that is generating income. Okay, there's no way around that. So any attorney that says you won't have to contribute to your partner's attorney's fees if your partner is the non-earning or low-earning spouse, and you are the primary earner, the court has to give an award. Okay, 10 years ago, the court had more flexibility, but there has been case law. It's come down that requires the court now, requires the judge to make the playing field equal for attorney's fees. Now, it's never going to be truly equal if one person is earning a lot of money, has access to a large part of the community or separate property, and the other person is barely getting by on spousal support or child support and is asking for attorney's fees. It's never going to be actually equal. But what we have seen, just as a general rule of thumb, is if initially you paid your attorney, let's say, a $7,500 attorney fee to start the case or whatever, usually that'll match what the first award of attorney fees will be to your partner. And this information is all disclosed to the court on the income and expense declaration forms. So the court will know what you paid your attorney, and it is likely, but not certain, that something similar to what you paid your attorney is what you will be ordered to pay your spouse's attorney if there's an imbalance in the ability of each party to pay attorney's fees. Okay,